fully automated peanut butter production line. The entire line is made of food-grade stainless steel and operates in a fully enclosed automated manner. The core process is divided into 3 stages: raw material processing, peanut butter grinding and refining, and filling and packaging. The first stage is raw material pretreatment. Peanuts first enter a continuous roaster where they are roasted at a precise temperature of approximately 150 to 160 degrees Celsius to fully release their aroma. They are then rapidly cooled to prevent residual heat from causing oil seepage. Next, they enter a peeling machine where friction and air separation remove the red skin and germ. This step is crucial because the germ is bitter and prone to producing aflatoxin. Removing it ensures a pure taste. After peeling, the peanuts pass through a color sorter, which uses photoelectric technology to precisely remove moldy or unevenly colored particles, ensuring 0 defects in the raw materials. The second stage is grinding and refining. The clean raw materials enter a coarse grinder to grind into a coarse paste. While grinding, sugar, salt, and other auxiliary ingredients are proportioned in a mixing tank, and then the mixture is further pulverized using a high-speed shear mill. By adjusting the grinding disc gap, the peanut butter's fineness can reach over 200 mesh, resulting in a very smooth and silky texture. For producing chunky peanut butter, we add crushed peanuts of a specific particle size during the later stages of grinding. Next, the butter is mixed evenly in a mixing tank, then enters a vacuum degassing tank to remove air trapped during grinding. This prevents oxidation and avoids oil-butter separation after bottling, resulting in a more stable finished product. The third stage is cooling and bottling. Freshly ground peanut butter is quite hot, so it needs to be cooled while being stirred in a cooling machine to maintain its fluidity and prevent the oil from rising to the surface. Afterward, it is quantitatively filled into bottles using an automatic filling machine, followed by capping and labeling. The entire production line is centrally controlled by a PLC system, ensuring a completely closed system from raw material input to finished product, guaranteeing food safety and consistent quality.